In this video, let us see how to hide information in a JPEG images. Not only we can hide strings, another image inside this image, we can hide a fully executable software inside this image without disturbing the quality or without changing its ability. When we open that image, it will display as a normal image, but it will contain the hidden information that we hide using this Python tutorial. So here you can see we have a image. When we open up the image, it will look like a normal image, but inside the image, it contains any string or it contains another image as a image, and we can also able to hide a full software. So let us see how to perform this operation. Here you can see we have these two images, image 1 and image 2. First, let us see the bytes of these images so you can better understand how we can able to perform this information hide in the image. To see the bytes of this image, we're gonna use a editor called the hex editor. So you don't need this for the demonstration purpose only how we can able to hide the information inside this image. So let's open this image in the hex editor. So this is the hex editor, HXD. Here you can see the software. Let's open up the image now. So let me open this first image now. When you open this image in the hex editor, you can see that you see a pattern here. Each JPEG image starts with FFD8 and each image ends with FFD9. So let's go to the last part now. If you go to the last, here you can see the JPEG image should always end with FFD9. Any information after that, the software will not ignore it. Not only this image, if you open any other image, let's open the second image now. Here you can see it starts with FFD9. Let's go to the end of this image. Here you can see it also ends with FFD9. So you can consider this as a flag or you can a breaking point. The any information after that, the any software that is displaying this image or you perform any operation, that software will not consider anything after this FFD9. It will only consider before that as a image. So you can clearly see that FFD9 is a breaking point. After that, any information you hide, there's any software will not consider it. So using this trick, we can able to hide information in this image. First, we will hide a text or a string inside that image. For this, let's create a Python file now. So let me create a Python file now. So this will be file1.py. So let me give you a name file1.py. So we don't need any external libraries. With the help of these default libraries, we can able to perform the information hide inside this image. So let's open up the image with open and the name of the image is the image1.jpg. So we're gonna open this image as here. Here you can see the name of the file is the image1.jpg. We're gonna open this in a open mode. So because we want to add information at the end of the file, and we're gonna open this in the binary. So this will be AB, A for open and B for the binary mode. So this will be as F. So let's try to add a string called the hello world. So F dot write will be hello world. So before the string, let's add a character called the B. So we're gonna open this hello world and bytes. So let's save this file and run it now. Here you can see the file has been executed successfully. So let's open up the hex editor. So let's go to the image 1 now. Here you can see this is the FFD9. After that, this is the bytes for the hello world. Here you can see we get the text hello world. You can see that is highlighted in the blue color. So this is the end of the image, and after that the image will not consider it. So let's open this image so that you can better understand it. Here you can see when we open up the image 1, you can see that it displays as it is, but it contains a hidden text called the hello world. Now let us see how to extract that hidden text inside this image. So as I said earlier, we have to use this FFD9 as a breaking point. We're gonna get the index of this FFD9, and after that, and we're gonna read everything after the FFD9. Let's do that now. Let's open the image one more time. This will be image1.jpg. And here we're gonna open this image as a read binary mode, and this will be as F. So this first we will extract all the binary from the file. So content equal to f.read, and we need to get the where the FFD9 is located. We need the location of this FFD9. So this will be offset equal to content.index. We're gonna get the index of that FFD9. Content.index. So bytes dot from hex. Since the FFD9 is hex value, we're gonna treat it as a hex FFD9. So this will return the index value of the FFD9. Next, f.seek. So we're gonna pass the offset plus 2, because here you can see this is 2 bytes. So that's why we have adding the 2 bytes. So let's print the f.read now. F.read. So that's it. When you save this file and run it, So let me expand this terminal. Here you can see we get a message like hello world. So this is the info that we have added to the image. Similarly, if you try to add any information here in the X editor itself, so let's try to add random text here. So I have added randomly some information. So let's save this. And if you rerun this file now, here you can see it displays the random characters as well. So this is the characters that we have added in the hex editor. So let's try to add something meaningfully. So let's release this. Hello world, this is a Python tutorial. This is a Python tutorial to hide information in here. So that's it. So let's save this file and rerun it now. Here you can see we get this nice information. Hello world, this is a Python tutorial to hide information. Now let us try to add this PNG image inside this JPEG image. Here you can see we have a PNG image. We're gonna try to add this PNG image inside that JPEG image. For this, let's create a new Python file. This will be file2.py. To perform these operations, we need a library called the pillow library. So we'll have to install that. Open your command prompt and type the following command: pip install pillow. So with the help of this pillow, we can able to perform or manipulate the images. So once the library is installed, we can able to move ahead. So now you can see the ECS requirement already satisfied. Let's try to import those libraries. Import pill, and we also need the IO. So that's it. This is the two libraries that we need. So image equal to pillow.image dot. We're gonna open the PNG image. The name of the PNG image is the image2.png. So next we need to convert this image as a binary array. So byte array equal to io.bytes io. First initially this will contain empty. We will get the bytes from the image. So image.save, this will pass the two parameters. The first one is the byte array and the second one is the format of the image. The format of the image is the PNG file. So that's it. Now the byte array will contain the bytes of the PNG image. So let's try to open the JPEG image now. With open image1.jpg. So we're gonna open this image as a append binary as f. So f.write, we're gonna write the byte array. So byte array contains the PNG image as a binary array. Byte array dot get value. So that's it. When you save this file and run it, here you can see the file has been executed successfully in 2.7 seconds. Let's try to open the image now. So when you open the image, so let's try to open the image1.jpg. Here you can see the image looks normally, but it contains another image. Let's try to open this in the hex editor. Here in the hex editor, you can see that we have this huge amount of binary. So let's try to search the ff59. So select the hex value and search for it. Here you can see after the ff59, we have huge amount of hex values. Here you can see that. So this is the hex values from the PNG image. So let's go to the end of this hex value. Here you can see that it contains lots of hex values. So let's try to extract this PNG image back now. So let me delete this PNG image. Now let us see how to get this PNG image from this JPEG image. So let me hide this code now. So we're gonna open the JPEG image as read binary. Here you can see when you open the image, it looks normally. So let's open this image in the read binary mode as f. So content equal to f.read. We're gonna get all the x values from the image. Offset equal to, we're gonna first identify where the f of the name is located. Content.index. We're gonna pass where the f of the name is bytes from hex value. So this will be f of the name. So f.sig, pass the offset now, offset +2. So that's it. New image equal to pillow.image.open. So io.byte io, we're gonna pass the f.read. So this is the remaining bytes from that image. So we're gonna pass this to the pillow to get the PNG image back. So new image.save. Just give your name for your new image, new image.png. This is our output name for the PNG image. So let's save this file and run it now. Here you can see now the file has been executed successfully, and you can see that a new file has been created successfully, new image.png on the left hand side. So let me open this in the file explorer. Here in the file explorer, you can see that we have a new image.png. Let me open that up. So if you open that up, here you can see that the PNG image that we have hid in the JPEG image, and we deleted this, and we have successfully recovered this PNG image back from the JPEG image. So this is how you hide a PNG image inside the JPEG image. So this is the PNG image. Now let's try to hide this software. Here you can see this is the executable file. Let's try to hide this executable file inside this JPEG image. So let's try to delete this image because this image contains the PNG image. So let's change this file name to JPEG now. So this will be new image.jpg. Yes. So let's see how to hide this software inside this JPEG image. So let's close this and open up the new image. So new image.jpg. So let's delete all of this, and we're gonna open this new image.jpg. We're gonna open this as a append binary. This will be as f. So we're gonna also open the software. So open. So we're gonna open the. So let's copy the name of the software now. So this will be HXD. So let's try to open this software first now to see it is actually working. So let me copy this software name now. So let's paste that up. So we're gonna open this as a read binary. This will be as E. So this will be f dot write and e dot read. So that's it. With the help of these two lines, we can able to hide a software inside the image. So let's save this file and run it now. When you open up the hex editor, so let's try to search for the f of d9. Here you can see. So this is the hex values for the software that we have successfully hide inside this image. So let's try to open the image now. So when you open up the image looks normal as it is. But inside this image, we have a software. You can see that we have successfully hide a software inside this image. The image looks normal as it was always before. So let's try to delete the software and let's try to recover the software now. So let me delete the software now. So let's try to record the software now. For this, let's delete all of that. Let's open up the new image now, new image.jpg, and we're gonna open this as a read binary as f. So content equal to f.read. We're gonna get all the hex values first, then we're gonna identify where the f of d9 is located. Content.index. So bytes dot from hex f of d9. We're gonna locate where the f of d9 is, then we're gonna seek. So offset +2. This will change the file position. Finally, we can able to generate the software now with open. Give a name for your software. This will be hxhd editor.exe. Let's try to give a, and we're gonna open this as a write binary. So this will be as e. So e.write, and inside this f.read. That's it. So let's save this file and run it now. When you run this file, here you can see now the file has been executed successfully. So this will be, we get a error, this will be new photo. Let me change this to new image. So I have wrongly typed the image now. So this will be new image.jpg. Now let's save this file and rerun it. Here you can see now the file has been executed successfully. Here you can see we have successfully got the executable file. So this is it. This is how you hide the information inside a JPEG image. Either it can be a normal string like an hello world, or it can be another PNG image that we can hide inside this JPEG image, or we can hide a fully executable software inside this JPEG image. So this is for this video, and I will continue in the next one.